Have you ever thought about growing your own edible mushrooms? Well, let me tell you, it's not only a fun and rewarding project, but it also comes with a host of benefits. For starters, mushrooms are packed full of nutritional goodness. They are low in calories, yet high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're a powerhouse of nutrients like vitamin D, selenium, and antioxidants, which are all essential for maintaining good health. Mushrooms are also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a stir-fry, grilling a burger, or baking a pizza, a handful of fresh mushrooms can elevate your dish to new culinary heights. And let's not forget the gardening aspect. Growing your own mushrooms is a sustainable and cost-effective way to add variety to your green space. It's a fascinating process to watch, and the end result is deliciously rewarding. Now that you know why mushrooms are a great addition to your garden, let's move on to how to grow them. Choosing the right mushrooms and location for growth is crucial. Now, when it comes to edible mushrooms suitable for home cultivation, there are a few popular options. Oyster mushrooms, for instance, are a fantastic choice. They grow quickly, offer a rich taste, and can thrive in many environments. Shiitake mushrooms, known for their robust, savory flavor, are another excellent option. They do require a bit more patience, as they take longer to grow, but the wait is well worth it. White button mushrooms, the most commonly consumed variety, are also great for beginners due to their hardiness and easy-to-manage growth. Selecting the perfect location for your mushroom patch is just as important. Mushrooms favor shady spots that maintain a consistent level of moisture. They thrive in areas rich in organic material, such as compost heaps or wood chip mulch piles. Remember, the right mushroom and location can make all the difference. Growing mushrooms may seem complex, but it's easier than you think. Let's embark on this fun journey of mushroom cultivation. First and foremost, we need to prepare the growing area. Mushrooms are unique little beings that prefer the cool, damp corners of your garden. They're not sun seekers like most of your other plants, so pick a shady spot and lay down some compost or manure. This will serve as a nutritious bed for your mushrooms to sprout. Now, onto the exciting part, planting the mushroom spores. These aren't your typical seeds. They come in the form of spawn, which is a mixture of mycelium and a growth medium like grain or wood chips. You can easily purchase mushroom spawn online or at a local gardening store. Sprinkle the spawn over your prepared area and lightly mix it into the top layer of the compost. After planting, it's all about patience and care. Over the next few weeks, you'll want to keep the area moist, but not waterlogged. A light misting with a spray bottle each day should do the trick. And remember, mushrooms like it cool, so try to maintain a temperature around 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit if possible. As your mushrooms begin to emerge, they'll start off as tiny pinheads before gradually growing into the full-sized mushrooms we're familiar with. It's an exciting process to watch unfold right in your own backyard. With patience and care, you'll have your own homegrown mushrooms in no time. Harvesting and cooking your homegrown mushrooms is the best part. When your mushrooms are plump and the edges of their caps are slightly uncurled, they're ready to be gently plucked. Now, on to the cooking. Sauté them with a bit of butter or olive oil, maybe a clove of garlic. Simplicity brings out the earthy flavors. Or add them to soups or pasta dishes for a hearty touch. There's no shortage of ways to enjoy them. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, and happy gardening.